first technique I'm going to show is the simplest psoas release, and it's super easy to learn. Basically, you want to mark gently with your palm and find the belly button. So right now, my finger knows where his belly button is. And then I can come out laterally from there to the edge of rectus abdominis. And right at the edge, just outside of it, is a little pocket in the obliques and in the abs where if I sink slowly in, you don't need to push at all. You want to think about like you're almost sinking into quicksand. And you want to sink in at an angle, not straight down. If you come straight down here, you're basically right on large intestines. So you want to make sure that your angle is 30-ish degrees towards the bodies of the vertebra. And so this is the first simplest contact. And with this, I can just use all fingers and slowly let his breath let me in until I can contact it. Now, if you're unsure you're actually on psoas, you can always ask a client, hey, leave your ankle on the table and just lift this knee 1 millimeter. So go ahead, okay, so let go. And I actually felt that I was maybe a touch lateral there until I moved touch in, and then I felt the muscle move as he dropped his knee back down. So now I really know I'm on it.